continuing my journey, having a play with my new router. I'm just going to do a test pattern and using the laser, just for this easiest, to see if the gantry's square. So what I've done is I've just lasered a little wee witness mark here, and you'll see a little witness mark there, and I've done one up there. So that's 500 millimeters, which is easy for me to reach. And you'll see, just to get it closer accurate, I've just burnt 100 millimeters. So 707 plus the 100 is 807.13, and I would pretty much go as far as to say, for what I'm doing, I couldn't get any more accurate than that. So I know that the gantry is nice and square. So now what I'm going to do is mark out a grid on the spoil board, which will make it easier for me to lay things out. So one of the benefits when you've got a laser on your CSC router is I'm now going to laser a grid pattern onto the spoil board, so that'll give me some reference marks that I can line up work pieces and things like that. And so I've saved this as a standard file, so each time I resurface the spoil board I can put this grid pattern straight on. So that's just sort of the settings I've got here, and it's just running through, so it's just a nice fine line. But before I've done this, I've checked it to make sure that the gantry's square, and I've just moved in 10mm each direction, so I clear that screw, and then that'll hopefully prevent me when I'm cutting through the spoil board knowing where the screws are. So we've just finished this. We now have a nice grid pattern with 100mm squares, so now it's easy to line things up on the deck of it. Seriously, this laser's bloody awesome.